Hey guys, Kevkoi Gamer here.
Hey guys, Sherry Quick here. Today we're gonna, what are we gonna do?
I'm just gonna talk because I haven't been on YouTube in a while. It's Friday, no school. It was supposed to be a 2-hour delayed opening for Obage, but no school, canceled. Don't know why. It's not bad, but
Why'd you win?
whatevs. Because I did. I'm a bad winker. Well, I guess my sister fell, so let's just. Oh, hi. She quit. All right, so I'm gonna introduce you. I'm gonna introduce you to my bird Hunter. Hunter, say hi, please.
He's like, I hate you.
I think he is shy.
No,
No, of course.
Now we're
Quick
gonna
game.
tumbling.
What?
Tumbling.
I don't want to tumble.
Too bad.
Kept quick game out.